YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video courtesy of Turtle Beach. You guys should know them by now. Check them out. The website and my Amazon affiliate link will be on the description. All you gotta do is click on the link and add this item to your cart. We got Prime Day deals going on, so you might want to check out the Amazon first, see what the specials are. And then here we go. Brand new, up for pre-order, Turtle Beach. The world's first flotating Earcup design. Ooh. This is an Atlas Air open back PC gaming headset. Oh, this is nice. You can just flip the mic up to have it muted. 4mm drivers. Or 40. Yep, 40mm. Quick switch 2.4 wireless Bluetooth button. And there's a flotating Earcup. Definitely can't wait to try these out. So thank you guys over at Turtle Beach for sending me this unit for a review. Got a couple more. Well, it's gonna be hard to test out for like sound, so we'll just do a quick unboxing. But Turtle Beach is usually one of my favorites for gaming headsets, so their quality is amazing. You guys ain't gonna be disappointed with this. I'm 100% sure. We got some goodies here. We got the manual. We got some cables. This is audio. And this is another USB. Really nice cables though. Definitely your animals won't be chewing to that. Especially for the audio too. High quality. Here's a mic. Flexible. Whaley like it. And it has the noise filter. Put that aside. And here's a dongle. We got the dongle. And yeah, make sure you don't eat these. And make sure your cats or children or your dogs don't eat these either. Keep it in the box for now. Turtle Beach. Here we go. Really nice travel bag. Got the logo right there. And there too. Got the palm trees, I think. Oh, baby. Here it is. The first of its kind. Oh, I'm super excited for the College Football 25 dropping July. And then what? Black Ops 6 is going to be on the Game Pass, so definitely a lot of gaming this year coming up. Oh, these are... Got the cushion mesh. Oh, man. Look at the earmuffs. Super flexy. Left, right. Yep. Oh, wow. Oh, these feel good.